Some days at home feel peaceful, and some days feel like everything needs to be done at once. Today is a busy day at home for me. I'm cooking from scratch, baking sourdough bread, making baked oats, and cleaning the house, while trying to keep things calm and realistic. If you're looking for a real-life homemaking routine, cleaning motivation, and cozy cooking on a busy day at home, you are in the right place. Welcome to What's Up Polish Sister House. Before I touch a sponge or turn on the oven, I always start with the reset. If my mind is chaotic, the house will feel chaotic too. Busy days don't need more pressure, they need more intention. Start your day with the coffee, relax a moment, and then contemplate what needs to be done. And after that, start your day slowly. Hello friends, some days at home feel calm and some days feel like everything needs to be done at once. Cooking, baking sourdough, cleaning the house, and somehow still trying to stay sane. It's hard, but achievable. So friends, today I'm taking you with me throughout a very busy day at home. And I will show you how I organize my time, what I cook, how I bake my sourdough. Yes, I need to bake 3 actually loaves of sourdough. One is going to be for my home, and tomorrow at my church we're going to have a potluck, so I decided let's do something simple, and it's going to be a sourdough. 2 loaves of sourdough I'll take. And because of the weather outside the window, it's gloomy and a little bit windy. We just had in California big rains going through. I think today is the first day without the rain. So I decided to do a cozy food, something that I love, something that is quick, and something that it will nourish me and my husband. And now that's going to be number 1, baked oats. I love baked oats. This is the best recipe ever. And I decided I have a steak in my freezer. I'm going to pull out. I have 3 of them. I'm going to pull them out and make a delicious dinner with that. Quick, easy, very cozy, no shebangs. I want to focus more on the cleaning today. And at the same time, and somehow I will try stay sane. I don't know why, but with your help we'll manage that. So this day is not about perfection. It's about surviving and even enjoying, just tiny bit enjoying ourselves while we do a full homemaking day. So stay tuned and watch until the end. Sourdough always reminds me that I don't need to rush. I started early, then let time do its job while I move on with my day. This is why I love baking from scratch. It forces me to slow down even on the busiest days. While the dough rests, I rest too, at least mentally. Waiting is a part of the rhythm. Alright, let's quickly make the baked oats because I need coffee and I want to do that before I have a break. The day goes by and I need a break. But oats first. I'm going to have 2 cups of oats and I use the sprouted rolled oats from the old ingredients from farmers we know. They're really good. Healthy. I hope so. Now we're going to need around 300 to 400 ml of milk. You can use a non-dairy milk too. I'm going to add 300 first and then I'm going to check how liquidy it is. If it's not too much of it, I'm going to add 100 more. Tiny bit more. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. And if it's coming to a sweetener, I like honey. You can use a maple syrup or any other kind of sweetener of your choice. How much? It depends on how sweet you want. I do not like it too sweet. I'm just going to add probably 1.5 tablespoons. And the last thing that goes in there is a fruit of your choice. I have some blackberries that I'm going to use, and probably I'm going to cut a little bit of the apple too because I love apple combined with the oatmeals. apples. And to all of that, I'm also going to add vanilla beans and cinnamon. It's optional, so if you do love the combinations, highly recommend it. You can also add a pumpkin spice. I almost forgot. Baking powder. Do I have it open? No, I don't have it open. Like a teaspoon, hippie. How do you say, like more than that, a little bit more than that? Teaspoon, teaspoon? I don't know. Let me know in the comment. Hippie. I'm messing up over here. I'm sure of that. Alright, here we go. .360 oven. Let's have the baking sheet ready. On busy days, I choose food that nourishes but doesn't exhaust me. Baked oats are perfect, simple comfort and great for leftovers. On days like this, I choose food that takes care of me later but doesn't exhaust me. Homemade food doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be warm, filling, and made with intentions. The smell of something baking instantly makes the house feel calmer. When the house smells good, everything feels more manageable. All right, let's try. It's perfect. This can be your breakfast, your dessert. Amazing. And like gooey with some texture. Perfect amount of fruit. Highly recommend. I used to think I had to clean everything at once. Now I just reset the space I actually use. This is real life cleaning, just enough to make the house feel lighter. A clean kitchen gives me mental space. Even if nothing else gets done, this matters. Cleaning isn't about perfection. It's about making the space work for you. This is actually the moment when I feel tired. but I've learned not to fight it. I remind myself I am not behind, I'm just living my day. Busy days don't need more pressure, they need more grace. This is my favorite moment. Everything slows down. Bread baking reminds me that good things take time, and those busy days can still feel meaningful. So, this is my favorite part of the day. All the small efforts coming together. There's something grounding about pulling fresh bread out of the oven. This moment makes the whole day feel worth it. Not everything got done, and I'm okay with that. The house feels calmer, the food is ready, and that's enough for today. If you're watching this during your own busy day, I hope it reminds you that you don't have to do it perfectly. If you enjoy realistic homemaking, cooking from scratch, and cozy routines, subscribe and stay with me.